So here it's very important to make uh, to identify the difference between the network layer and the transport layer. So network layer, as we have just seen in this scenario, provides us logical communication between the hosts or the ends. So see, so the responsibility of the network layer is to provide logical communication between the two ends, regardless of the links in between, regardless of the core network here, right? And the protocol that PDU means protocol data unit at the network layer is known as datagram, IP datagram or IP packet. Um, IP fundamentally is connectionless. So this means a datagram can can be reordered, is duplicated, or maybe is lost. So IP has this best effort delivery. Right? There is no acknowledgement, or there is no uh, reliability in IP fundamentally. And whereas if we talk about the transport layer, it gives us logical communication between the processes, right? So by saying logical communication, we have already covered that irrespective of the links in between, it provides us communication between the processes of sender and at the destination machine, right? And uh, the protocol data unit at the transport layer is known as segment, right? So basically, the important thing is the transport layer extends the end-to-end communication provided by network layer to process communication. Obviously, we have covered this earlier as well, that upper layers use services of the lower layer. So upper layer, in this case, transport layer is using the end-to-end, in fact, is extending the end-to-end or host-to-host communication to process communication. And it's also challenging as well, because at the transport layer, we are also having this reliable protocol TCP, whereas network layer, the layer below is not providing any reliability. Can transfer packets out of order, IP packets can be uh, duplicated,